Independent Meghalaya MLA Julies Dorphang, who was wanted in connection with a sex racket case involving a 14-year-old girl in Shillong, was on Saturday arrested from ISBT in Guwahati. The arrest came a day after a lookout notice was issued and the state police sought cooperation from their counterparts in neighboring states. We have arrested Dorphang and he was brought here. He will now face trial, Vivek CM SP Shillong City said today. He said that the law will take its own course in the state. Meanwhile, Dorphang, who was brought to Shillong, was produced in the court today at around 2:30 p.m. The court granted him 5-day police custody. Following his arrival in Shillong, police took Dorphang to the Shillong Civil Hospital. PM said that a copy of report will be sent to the Speaker A.T. Mondal for necessary action. Dorphang, who had co-founded an armed organization HNLC, will be surrendered until he surrendered in 2007, went into hiding after the police booked him under Section 366A of the IPC and arrested Section 3A4 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act and under Section 5 of the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act against him. In fact, several raids were conducted within the state and even several places in Assam where the legislature frequented till yesterday morning, but the raid was fugled. A joint raid was conducted at Hatigrao area on Thursday, where the surrendered Alpha leaders are running their office, but they did not find him there. The sex racket came to light after an employee of a guest house owned by the son of a Congress leader was arrested for trafficking of the 14-year-old victim last month.
To live case number 239. Whereby Julies Dorphang is the main accused. We have, after conducting several searches in several places, and especially in Guwahati, where we had got a lead and built up intelligence, the accused Julies Dorphang was arrested in ISBT Guwahati at about 11 o'clock last night. He was brought to Shillong the very night, and we will be producing him to the court of the ADC. We will be asking for at least 5 days of police custody. We've also added a more rigorous section, Section 5 Clause C /6 of the POCSO Act, which pertains to aggravated penetrative sexual assault by a public servant. Yes, we've got 7 cases with us. Wherever evidence leads us to more perpetrators, more crimes, we will conduct arrests accordingly.
Women's organization in matrilineal Meghalaya have sought exemplary punishment for Julies Dorphang. Trafficking of girls is an organized racket that involves the high and mighty. Shillong-based Agnes Kharsing, heading an NGO for women's rights, civil society women's organization, said she hoped that law will take its own course and the victim will get justice.
We expect that the law should be implemented in a proper way, proper manner, that justice is given, and there should be no loopholes anywhere, even in the courts, so that the child who has been a victim of this heinous crime, she will get justice. This is just a nip of the bud, and many more will be revealed maybe, because there are many more who are indulging in all this. Because if it was not political people or big people, powerful people, this trafficking would not be flourishing in such a way. In fact, we are glad that the police, we don't know whether it's Assam or Meghalaya police who have arrested him. We're glad that the police have arrested him, whether it's anyone everyone is bound by the law. So we hope that in future such arrests will not take